All the vampires walking through the valley, they move westbound, Ventura Boulevard, and all the bad boys standing in the shadows, and the girl